I was given this product to do a review video. If you are watching this video, I must have liked this product. Otherwise the video would not have been published. So let's go to the video. Can this GOOLOO jump starter actually start a vehicle with a dead battery? Well, stick around and we'll find out. Use primer right here. I got some for you.
5W30.
Oh, it's
Mine is 45. Good for storage.
That's their floor cleaner.
Bottom bottom.
Okay, so let's open her up. This is a nice case. GOOLOO jump starter. Alright, let's check it out. Instructions, warnings. It's all the cables. Jump starter cables. And they're a little stuck in there for some reason. Oh. Okay, I see. Yeah, these look pretty good. Pretty well made. Your charger. I'll have to read up on the instructions. But here it is. Fully charged before use. Alright, so I'm going to have to charge it up first before we go out in the garage and see how it works. But this is where the cable goes. Let's see. Yeah, just plugs in here. Just like so. There. And this should jumpstart your car. This is pretty small. It's nice. I hope this works good. I like to carry something like this around with me. This is a good thing to have. Alright, you know what? Let me go charge this up and come back and go out in the garage and check it out on a dead battery. Be right back. Okay, here she is. She's fully charged up. You press this button here. You got 5 lights. Each light represents 20%. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100% charged. And let's go over a couple features here real quick. She has 2 USB ports. They actually supply you with a USB cable here. You got an input jack here where you can actually charge this device using your own cigarette lighter in your car to charge it with. And you got an outlet here too. If you have devices that use a cigarette lighter port, you got your own right here. And she has a light right here. It's got a couple different functions. Okay. And when you go to hook this up to your battery, if you reverse these by accident, it's got a red light here that'll be on and it'll be beeping. And you'll know that it's not on the right way. Otherwise, it should be green and just stay green. If it's green and blinking, then it means you got to push this booster feature here. And hold it down till it stays green. It's a pretty good safety device. And so I've got a pretty dead battery in my truck right now that I put in on purpose just for this test. I mean, this battery's pretty old and dead, and you'll never run into such a situation. So if this actually starts the vehicle, it's definitely be a keeper. So let's try it out. Let's see what happens. That's all I get. A little bit of click and a little bit of turn. Check it out under the hood. Okay, let's try it one more time. Looks like it's okay. This goes in like this. There. Now it should start right up. Let's find out. I want to make sure this can't fall. No, okay, it's good. Wow, now I gotta say, that is impressive. That battery was almost completely dead. You ain't gonna run into a situation like that if you're using your vehicle every day. Wow. So unhook this. Wow, that worked pretty good. Hey, this product right here I give it a thumbs up. This is good. It's a good thing. This little thing did quite the job. I'm impressed. Hey, this baby's always going to be riding around with me from now on. So I think I'll wrap this video up. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.